Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how much is Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To know about Shopify cost, you can enter this website shopify.com/pricing, and here you'll find their plan. So basic plan start from $29 per month, and the Shopify plan start from $79 per month, and the advanced package start from $299 per month. And if you want to see more information about this package, you can click on show plan features, and here you will get all the information about the packages. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.